The image you are looking at right now was captured on the surface of Venus, a planet where the average temperature reaches 464 degrees Celsius, and the air pressure there is 92 times stronger than on Earth. This image was captured in 1982 by the Soviet spacecraft Venera 13. After landing on Venus, it survived for only 127 minutes before its systems finally failed under the planet's extreme conditions. And for over 40 years, it has remained exactly where it stopped working, on a planet that destroys almost everything. But before it died, it sent back the very first real audio recording ever captured from the surface of Venus. And what you are about to hear is the actual sound of Venus. Turn your volume up.